Chapter 2 Microorganisms Friend and Foe Part 1.
Now we'll have a look at the microorganisms and what they are. Microorganisms, as the name does suggest, are such organisms that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. They have to be seen under a microscope, hence microorganisms. They can survive across multiple landscapes, be it land, water, sea, air, everywhere, and with varied temperatures. Of course, extreme temperatures, they die out or they disperse or they are killed, like boiling water or freezing temperatures.
Harmful microorganisms. There are some microorganisms that are harmful and cause diseases. Examples of those are bacteria and fungi, which make our food go bad.
But there are helpful ones also. Who doesn't love yummy cakes and fresh bread? These are bacteria that help making these foods, like curd, cheese. Also, some beverages like alcohol, acetic acid as well.
Bacteria. Bacteria are single celled microorganisms with cell walls but no nucleus and other structures. Some examples of bacteria are Rhizobium bacteria and Lactobacillus bacteria. Singular form of bacteria is bacterium.
Interesting. Continuing with bacteria, these are the three shapes of bacteria: rod, spherical, and spiral. How do they look under a microscope?
Oh, these are actually the spherical bacteria, rod shaped bacteria, and spiral bacteria. Viruses. Viruses are organisms which do not feed, excrete, grow, or respire, so they do not have most of the things which living organisms should. They only reproduce in cells of other organisms such as humans, animals, or even bacteria. Viruses are also called as the agents of diseases. Diseases such as flu, measles, polio, etc. are caused by viruses. An example of a virus is HIV, which is human immunodeficiency virus, which causes AIDS, or the recent